Welcome to Lot 12, the Regan, at 1396 Bearden Road in Good Hope, Georgia. This modern farmhouse on just over 5 acres has lots of wonderful things about it. But today I'm going to tell you my top 5 favorites. Let's check it out. This pop of color, this blue, it just makes me happy. You will love this property the minute you see the driveway framed by 2 large oak trees. The thoughtful touches in the kitchen. Okay, we have pull-out trash cans hidden here. We have glass display cabinets. All of our drawers and cabinets are soft close, and we have a pot filler. So my 4th favorite thing about this floor plan is the walk-in pantry. As you'll see, there is no wire shelving. And my 5th favorite thing about this floor plan has to be the view. It looks out over to your private wooded backyard on just over 5 acres. For more information about this house or any other new construction from Rocky Branch Builders, as always, contact soldbytheprinceGroup.com.